I'm Paige. You may know me from Bravo's Summer House, but welcome to my house. Come on in. So this is my Midtown Manhattan apartment. I obviously live here, sleep here, eat here, but I also work here. So I needed it to feel really cozy, really homey, and just 10 out of 10 vibes. I love a monochromatic outfit, obviously, so I wanted to do kind of the same thing in my living space. This is where most of my entertaining happens for a few reasons, but I think the main reason is my insanely comfortable sectional couch. I love the color of it. I just feel like it's great for my monochromatic theme. It's gives me spa-like vibes because I feel like it's just a cloud when you sit on it. And then my coffee table. This is a concrete coffee table. I love how big it is, and I just feel like it is the focal point of my living room. I also love my boucle chairs. I feel like it gives me Gwyneth Paltrow Goop vibes, and I love that for me. I found this vintage magazine holder, and then I decided to put fashion magazines from the 90s, and I just think it's a really cool personal element in my living space. Okay, so this is obviously my favorite room in my apartment for so many reasons. This is actually a bedroom, but I like to call it my closet/office, which is a cloffice. My entire business is fashion, so I feel like when I'm surrounded by all of my clothes, it only inspires me. And also I get such great lighting in this room, so it's so much easier to pick out an outfit. And I have so many secret compartments in this room that really just bring me so much joy. So this is where I sit when I'm running my empire, and I think having a glass desk makes the room so much more spacious. I always have fresh flowers, and I have such a lovely view. Okay, so this is where I work, but let me show you where I go to recharge. Welcome to where I lay down at night, recharge my batteries, and get cozy. If you know me, or if you've seen an episode of Summer House, you've probably seen me in the bed, because that is my favorite place to be. So one of my favorite things in my apartment is my actual bed frame. I love the canopy bed style. It makes me feel like a princess in this big city. I also love that it has the black and gold theme. And then I try and do a little bit of pops of color, and I do that with fresh hot pink flowers, and of course, my neon front page news sign. I would turn it on, but I need a new battery because when I first got it, it was always on. I'm very big into getting hardware for different pieces in your house. This is just a regular white IKEA dresser, but I found these handles, and I think it changes the entire vibe of the whole room and really ties everything together. Okay, so this is the final spot that I wanted to show you, my balcony, and it's a great place to have a glass of wine, unwind from the day. Thanks for stopping by my apartment, and I hope to see you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?